Hello, dear friend. My name is Ana Victoria Estorvilla. I am 39 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I study psychology. I am going to tell the video. 5 steps to improve your way or listening to English. There are 5 steps mentioned in the video. Relax. Relaxing and focusing a role in what you are hearing will give you a better opportunity of understanding. Don't try translating. Just listen. Don't try to translate things. As you hear them, do not worry about words you don't understand. Use context to help you understand. The comprehension does not rely only on your listening skills. The facial expression can help you depending on the situation you face. Practice with different situations and voices. Listen to many and various types of voices you can. Make a study plan. Develop and organize weekly study schedule with information that you can find on the internet. Afterward, you might place it on a wall. At the beginning of the video, they told about some situations. There are two of those situations. You are listening to 4 friends from different countries who are trying speaking not native English with different accents. You are listening to our news program on the radio or as a podcast. There are many different speakers. Of course, they cannot be seen. In the 31 minutes, the other language spoken is Portuguese. There are the 2 rules for the 5 steps. Rule number 1. Do something every day. Rule number 2. Do something different every day. This is the plan that the video proposes. Monday. Listen the 1, 2, 2 song, 2, 2, 3 time each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the United Kingdom. Thursday. Do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of new show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. Have you stick to your plan? To stick to the plan, I must make a commitment to study organizing and study strategy. With commitment, effort, and dedication, setting a goal of mastering the English language. Put the plan in a place where you can see it. Looking forward to a future as the person who speaks to Spanish and English language. This could be done with commitment, dedication. I propose the following plan. Monday. Listen the audios in English. Tuesday. Read histories that contain more familiar words. Wednesday. Speak in English with another person who is interested in learning English. Thursday. Watch TV program in English with a subtitle receiver. Friday. Listen to short audios and imitate them. Saturday. Listen to two songs in English 2 or 3 times each. Sunday. Matches with in mind in English and learn new words to enrich vocabulary. For this, I must allocate 15 minutes daily. The video tells us that the student can obtain material to practice English on the internet, on Google or any other search engines. One can carry out specific research concerning the appropriate level of knowledge the students has of English or any topic in general. Thank you.